Today marks 100 days since Hurricane Ian made landfall in Florida. The storm left people without power, cars, homes, and some even lost loved ones.
Yeah, and while there are some signs of progress right now, much of the destruction remains visible. 10 Tampa Bay's Megan Myers shows you what people are still dealing with this evening.
I don't have a space for myself.
Charlotte Hinger works at Sarasota Memorial Hospital. She's living in an Airbnb 30 minutes away with her family. They lost nearly everything, including their home from Hurricane Ian.
A lot of struggles to focus on your normal life, but also focus on the repair of your house.
While Charlotte was at the hospital working during and after the storm, her family had to be rescued by boat due to flooding, an experience they'll never forget.
It's a lot of anxiety, just returning to normal life.
Moving further south, Christina Rivera rode out the storm right outside of Fort Myers Beach.
Within that time that we saw our car flooded, I got a call from my son that my mom passed away. The most upsetting thing is not seeing our cars flooding, or that we were kind of in danger from the flood, but I lost my mom.
She says there's still piles of debris, damaged buildings, and destruction.
It doesn't even feel like it's been 100 days. It still feels like it was just yesterday.
She says the damage left behind is a constant reminder of the day her whole life changed, and so did everything around her.
We used to see luscious trees, security fences, everything was in the normal, and like we could see the city lights from our bedroom. And now it's just like dead silent.
Megan Myers, 10 Tampa Bay.
Crews have moved more than 41,000 truckloads of debris from Northport City streets since Hurricane Ian. The city says all debris should be placed outside by Monday. That is the final day of pickup.